Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is about the working schedule of ordinary seamen on board. So the working schedule of ordinary seamen or any other crew on board depends on the situation. So what situation I am talking about here is like for example at sea, like during sailing, when we are going from A point to B point during sailing. Then second point is at anchor. Then the third point is port. Okay, and the fourth and the last one, which depends on the type of ship, is like I am sailing on a bulk vessel. Okay, cape size. So we have hold cleaning situations also. So for that, our working schedule is different. Let's talk about the situation number one, which is at sea during sailing. So first thing in the morning, ordinary seaman has to wake up at 6 o'clock or 6:30, depends on the chief officer and the bosun, the what timing they will assign you. You have to wake up at 6 o'clock or 6:30. Okay, and for 1 hour you have to clean some specific areas which are assigned to you. Like for common places, I am talking about here, like the alleyways, mess room, or crew recreation rooms, officer recreation room, or public toilets, which is common. Okay, common toilets. Then alleyways of different decks, upper deck, A deck, B deck, like that. Okay, so these duties will be assigned to you, okay, as a if you are OS. Okay, I'm talking about OS. So we are two OS on board. So the duties is assigned to both of us. Okay, he is assigned with some different areas, and I am assigned with some different areas. So first thing in the morning we have to wake up, and we'll get 1 hour for cleaning, 6 to 7 or 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, it totally depends on the bosun and chief officer. So after that, let's consider 6 to 7. So 6 to 7 you will do the cleaning. Then after that, 7 to 8 o'clock, you will have your that breakfast timing. Okay, so during that time you can get freshen up and done with your get done with your breakfast. Then afterwards, 8 o'clock you have to be on deck. Okay, at sharp 8 o'clock you have to be on deck for deck jobs. Then from there, and from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 8 से 10 बजे तक, you have to work on deck. Okay, whatever job is assigned to you. After that, 10 o'clock to 10:30 will be your tea time. Then 10:30 to 12 o'clock will be your job on deck. Okay, then afterwards, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock will be your 12 o'clock to 1300 hours, you can say in 24 hours format, will be your lunch time. Okay, 1 hour will be given to you as your lunch time. Then from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, again you have to work on deck. Then after that, again half an hour tea time, 3 o'clock to 3:30. Then after that, from 3:30 to 5 o'clock, now it depends on the chief officer. Okay, if he arrange your duty timing like that, your working hours and your rest hours, some chief officer ask you to work till 6 o'clock, some will ask you to work till 5 o'clock. So right now the chief officer we are having on board, he has set our timing from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, so we have to work from then after tea time, 3:30 to 5 o'clock we have to work, and we have to secure everything before 5 o'clock. So this is the normal routine during sea. Okay, now let's talk about the port. When our vessel is berthed to some port, so what will be the routine? Now let's talk about the situation number two, which is at port. Okay, so when our vessel is berthed at some country's port, so the duties will be like this, it is called 6 on 6 off. It's a kind of watch. We have watches in pairs. Okay, one OS and AB will be there on watch. So our watch is like this: 6 on 6 off, means 6 hours of work and 6 hours of rest. Okay, so this will go continue for 24 hours, or how long you will stay on port, on a specific port. Okay, so like for example, mine duty starts from 6 to 12, or I can call it 1800 to 2400. Okay, mine duty will be there 1800 to 2400. Then other OS will come to relieve me on 2400, and he will continue from 2400 to till morning 6 o'clock. Then again I will come to relieve in morning. I'll come in morning to relieve him from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, so like this, 6 on 6 off, continuous rotation will go on until you stay on port. And for ABs it will be like 4 on 8 off, because there are 3 of them on board, and we are two OS only. So they will go like this: 4 on 8 off, means 4 hours of work and 8 hours of rest. So this will be the port routine working schedule of ordinary seamen. Now the third one, which is at anchorage. Now at anchorage, it totally depends on the area your vessel is at anchor. If it comes under any pirate attack area, so there will be a watch. Okay, if not, like for example, we are anchored at Australia right now, and there is no watch for us. Normal sea time routine for us. Okay, normal, like we do our duties on sailing. That routine continues here on anchorage too. So if your watch is there, okay, if OS watch is there, then the watch will be from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, I'm talking about evening, 1800 hours to 2400 hours, and 2400 hours to other OS will come on 2400 hours till 6 o'clock in morning. So this will be the rotation, and accordingly they will get a rest. Okay, during daytime, for they have to come for day work, but accordingly they will get rest. It will be managed by the bosun. Their work hours and rest hours will be managed by the bosun and the chief officer. Okay, so but during anchorage, watches will be like this. Not, it will not go for 24 hours. You have to watch for 6 hours only in 24 hours of cycle. Okay, now the last and the most important one is the hold cleaning. It totally depends on the type of vessel. Those who are in bulk carriers, they know, they must be familiar with this type of routine. So actually it's not different from our daily routine working schedule, but in this actually we have to come early on deck. So what happens is, we get some certain time, like for a week or 4 days or 5 days, to clean all the holds and whole complete ship. So we have to utilize the time, okay, we are having. So what chief officer does is, this time we have to be on deck at 7:30. So there is no cleaning for us in morning for OS. That 1 hour cleaning is cancelled, and we have to be on deck at 7:30. We'll get our breakfast at 7 o'clock, and we have to be on deck at 7:30. And from 7:30 until we have to put some target, like for example we have to clean 3 holes in a day. So until that completed, or until the sunset. Okay, it can go up to 6 o'clock, then 7 o'clock, like that. But this routine I'm telling you, we are facing on this ship. In my last ship, we have to work from 7:30 morning till 1 o'clock at night, because we get only 3 to 4 days to clean 9 holds and complete ship. So we were specially at Anchorage to clean all the holes. So we have to work this much long from 7:30 morning till 1 o'clock in morning. Okay, so like that. But it depends totally on the situation, how much time limit you are getting. So like that. So that's it, guys. This is the working schedule of OS under different situations. So first one was at sea during sailing, then second one was at port, third one was at anchor, and the fourth one was during hold cleaning. So if you like the video, if you find the video informative, then do like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.